Hi, I'm Aaron, a graduate of University of the Arts in Philadelphia. I've got my BFA in drawing and painting, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a 5-point star using 2-point perspective. I'll be using charcoal pencils. For more precise erasing, you can use a vinyl eraser. I'll also be using a ruler. We have a flat perspective looking at it head on. Now if I roll it to the side, that is what you would call 1-point perspective. I'm going to tilt it back into space again. This is now what you're looking at 2-point perspective. Now I'm going to try to represent that in 2 dimensions. So you have your point, and this was the one that was facing most towards us. It is going to be a large point. Now the two that were receding, well, the point that was receding towards the top of the page off into space is going to be very long and thin, as will the bottom point. Coming back up, will be the 2 points in back, and they will look small and distorted. And you have a very basic representation of a 5-point star in 2-point perspective. Here would be another way to show a 5-point star in 2-point perspective. It's more of a shooting star type image than we had before. We're going to start with a center point, and now we're going to place 2 points off in the corners of the page. Choose up there. These are our 2 points along an axis that goes right to the original center line point. Now what I'm going to do is make a few guidelines that will be the top and bottom of where the star end. These are just really guides for the image. We're not getting into any sort of complex math here. I'll end up drawing the star freehand itself. So now I'm going to start from the top point. And the top point will actually not be directly centered over our center point, and that's because it's going to recede back into space in 2 different angles. I'm going to face it towards this angle. So I'm going to place it, we'll go straight up from the point, and I'm going to move over a bit, right about there. Now I'll draw my star. Again, keeping in mind that it's bent in space. The point that's over here will be enlarged. And now what I'm going to do is connect to the end points over to that point way up in the corner. I'm going to end that one there because otherwise it'd be cutting through the image. Now I'm just going to erase a few lines. So here we have another way to show a 5-point star in 2-point perspective. This one more in the form of a shooting star. This has been Aaron Wemmer showing you how to draw a 5-point star using 2-point perspective.